Kids food. Vegetables. Mga gulay.
bitter gourd,
Bitter gourd.
broccoli,
Broccoli.
cabbage,
Cabbage.
carrot,
Carrot.
corn,
Corn.
eggplant,
Eggplant.
garlic,
Garlic.
ginger,
Ginger.
lady's finger,
Lady's finger.
lettuce,
Lettuce.
lima beans,
Lima beans.
moringa,
Moringa.
mung beans,
Mung beans.
mustard leaves,
Mustard ribs.
onion,
Onion.
potato,
Potato.
pumpkin or squash,
Pumpkin or squash.
radish,
Radish.
snow cabbage,
Snow cabbage.
water spinach,
Water spinach.
Great start, kids!
I like it.
Now, let's say it in Filipino or in Tagalog. Ngayon ay bigkasin natin ito sa wikang Filipino or in Tagalog.
Yay!
Ampalaya,
Ampalaya.
broccoli,
Broccoli.
repolyo,
Repolyo.
carrot,
Carrot.
mais,
Mais.
talong,
Talong.
bawang,
Bawang.
luya,
Luya.
okra,
Okra.
letsugas,
Letsugas.
patani,
Patani.
malunggay,
Malunggay.
munggo o balatong,
Munggo or balatong.
mustasa,
Mustasa.
sibuyas,
Sibuyas.
patatas,
Patatas.
kalabasa,
Kalabasa.
labanos,
Rabanus.
pichay,
Pitsay.
kangkong.
Kangkong.
Well done, kids! You're amazing!
Fantastic.
Let's repeat. Ating ulitin. Ampalaya. 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 Bitter gourd. Broccoli. 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 Repolyo. 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 Cabbage. Carrot. 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 Mais. 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 Corn. Talong. 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 Eggplant. Bawang. 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 Garlic. Luya. 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 Ginger. Okra. 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 Lady's finger. Letsugas. 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 Lettuce. Patani. 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 Lima beans. Malunggay. 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 Moringa. Munggo. 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 Balatong. 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 Mung beans. Mustasa. 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 Mustard leaves. Sibuyas. 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 Onion. patatas, 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 potato, kalabasa, 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 pumpkin or squash, labanos, 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 radish, pechay, 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 snow cabbage, kangkong, 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 water spinach. You're a fast learner.
Excellent.
Let's review. Bitter gourd, ampalaya, broccoli, broccoli, cabbage, repolyo, carrot, carrot, corn, mais, eggplant, talong, garlic, bawang, ginger, luya, lady's finger, okra, lettuce, letsugas, lima beans, patani, moringa, malunggay, mung beans, munggo o balatong, mustard leaves, mustasa, onion, sibuyas, potato, patatas, pumpkin or squash, kalabasa, radish, labanos, snow cabbage, pechay, water spinach, kangkong.
Fantastic.
Now, it's your turn.
I like it. Bitter gourd, ampalaya, broccoli, broccoli, cabbage, repolyo, carrot, carrot, corn, mais, eggplant, talong, garlic, bawang, ginger, luya, lady's finger, okra, lettuce, letsugas, lima beans, patani, moringa, malunggay, mung beans, munggo or balatong, mustard leaves, mustasa, onion, sibuyas, potato, patatas, pumpkin or squash, kalabasa, radish, labanos, snow cabbage, pechay, water spinach, kangkong.
Great job, kids! You're the best!
That's awesome! For more educational videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support.